In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your StoryGraph profile. First, open the StoryGraph app. When you're on the home screen, locate and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile page. To share your profile link, tap on the share icon located at the upper right-hand side of the screen. A link to your profile will appear, which you can copy and paste wherever you want to share it. However, it's important to understand that sharing your profile link doesn't automatically mean others can see your profile. You must first set your profile visibility settings appropriately to allow others access. To do this, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right-hand corner of the screen to open the main menu. Then tap on Manage Account. Scroll down until you see the Profile Privacy Level option. Tap on the accompanying text if you'd like to read more about the different levels of privacy. There are 3 levels: public, community, and private. Choose the privacy level that best suits your needs by tapping the drop-down menu. If you want anyone to be able to view your profile via the shared link, make sure to select Public. Once you've chosen your preferred privacy setting, scroll down and tap on the Update button to save your changes. Now, when you share your profile link, anyone with the link will be able to view your profile based on your selected privacy level.